Hi there, my name is Richard Marler and welcome to my mediation and therapy practice. One of the services that I offer is specialist family law mediation. Now, I've been working in the family law sector for 2 decades now, half of that as a family lawyer and half as a family law mediator. And so, what I offer is separated couples the opportunity to resolve their differences without resorting to the family court. So, this might be in relation to parenting matters or property settlement matters, or it may relate to other financial matters such as spousal maintenance or child support. And these issues are able to be discussed and mediated with a focus on trying to reach a resolution that will last rather than an agreement that may fall apart as quickly as it's been made. So, how do I focus on resolution rather than agreement? Well, first of all, I conduct an intake with both parties. In the intake, I conduct a risk assessment to make sure that it's appropriate to conduct the mediation and also help the parties prepare for the mediation. Now, the mediation might be online by Zoom or it might be in person, and it can be either with or without lawyers. There are pros and cons, and it's really an individual decision as to whether they wish to have a lawyer representing them at the mediation. Another option to consider that some lawyers are open to is to be a consultant during the mediation, where the party can call them to get some advice at various times during the day rather than having them actually physically present. A benefit of having a lawyer present is that they can be your advocate, and it can be at times very stressful and overwhelming dealing with family law issues. So if you'd like the option to be able to sit back and allow somebody else to advocate your position, then having a lawyer with you is a really good idea. They can also advise you along the way so that you don't agree to something that may prejudice you down the track. Now, during a mediation, my focus is to be supportive to both parties and to remain completely neutral and impartial. One of the ways I do that is by honouring confidentiality and making sure that I don't give away anything that happens in the private space of a party to the other party, because that could prejudice them in some way. So if you think that you might need mediation services, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks.